My name is Mike, 911 Website Repair CEO. We've repaired over 25,000 websites. One of the biggest questions that we get for issues are the images are stretching and skewing on somebody's website. Images are really tough because they're created in a set pixel size. And if you go to make that bigger, they're going to stretch. We can always take a big picture and crop it and make it smaller, but a small picture you can't make bigger. So it's very important to use the largest proportional image sizes possible so that as a website grows to fit the size of a monitor, there's plenty of pixelation in those images so you don't lose the focus. So we can help you with this. It is difficult, and sometimes it means you're going to have to use different images, not the ones that you originally thought. I have it right now. Someone just sent me 50 images. They're all too small. We have to do them all over because when we go to make them big, they stretch. So it's very important. It's a give and take, but we can help you with this. So if your images are stretching and skewing, I can explain it all to you. Give me a call. My name is Mike, 911 Website Repair, 860-294-2444. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.